Hi, in this video I'm going to continue with finding the area of parallelogram. As the previous video I have derived for you the area of parallelogram and area of triangle. So in this video mainly I just want to talk about how to finding the area of parallelogram by using a formula, right? So as you know that this parallelogram is just given you 3 points, right? You have vertices, you have 4 vertices, but it just gives you 3 vertices. But it's already enough for you to find the area of parallelogram because we just need 3 vertices, at least 3. Alright, either they give you A, B, C, or B, C, D, or A, C, D, right? It's enough for you to find the area of parallelogram. Means that you must at least have 3 points, alright? So I'm going to sketch just roughly sketch a parallelogram so that you understand. So let's say I have point A, point B, point C, and point D, right? Which point A is given to be 1, 2, -1, and point B to be 1, 3, 2, and point C to be -1, 3, -1, right? So as you know that if you want to find the area of parallelogram, so I can apply AD cross with AB, right? I can find the magnitude, the area of parallelogram here. I can just finding the AD cross with AB. I can find with AD cross with AB, or I can apply BA cross with BA cross with BC. The answer will be the same. Either you're using AD, AB, or BA, BC, or you can use C as a common point. Alright, just now I start with A, right? AB, AD, or if I start with B, BA, BC, or I also can start with CB cross with CD, right? CB cross with CD, or I also can start with D. With D means that D is the starting point where it's out. The arrow, the vector should be out from the point B, point D, which is DA cross with DC. Means the answer, right? The answer, or we said that the area of the parallelogram by using either one of these, you will getting the same answer. It will be finding the area of, but for this case, I'm not going to find the point D, alright? You can also find the point D. If you want to find point D, you also can find the point D by applying the midpoint, right? The midpoint between A and C, the midpoint will be the same as the midpoint between B and D. So remember that the midpoint between AC is the same as the midpoint between B and D, alright? But I want to save my time now to finding area parallelogram because I just given point A, point B, and point C. So I plan not to using this because I need the value of point D, right? So I'm not going to use this. There's a point D. So I'm going to use this, alright? Easy, alright? I have point B and A, I have point B and point C. So I apply BA cross with BC and I find the magnitude. That's the answer for this area of parallelogram. Alright, okay, so let's start finding. Alright, so we have known that we want to find the area of parallelogram. Okay, I rewrite the area of parallelogram ABCD to be, I will using BA, the magnitude of BA cross with BC because I have these 3 given points, right? Okay, at first I'm going to find the vector BA, right? Finding the vector BA. So how to finding the vector BA? Vector BA is the position vector of A minus subtract the position vector of B, right? So which I can write the OA, right? I can rewrite this to be my position vector and I write in column vector form, which is 1, 2, -1, right? Minus with 1, 3, 2, right? OB, which is 1, 3, 2, right? 1, 3, 2. So calculate. So 1 minus 1, I have 0. 2 minus 3, I have -1. -1 minus 2, I have negative 3, right? So now I have get the vector of BA, right? BA. So followed by finding the vector of, after BA, I need BC, right? So I need to find the direction vector of BC, which is the position vector of C, subtract with the position vector of B. So just write the coordinates of C, right? Of C into vector form. Okay, negative 1, 3, negative 1, minus with position vector of B, 1, 3, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1. So if I calculate this, I will getting negative 1, negative 2, 3 minus 3, I have 0, right? I have 0, and negative 1 minus 2, I have negative 3, right? So now I have get two of the vector. The vector BA, the direction is actually a direction BA, and the direction from B to C, right? So the next step will be, you know that this is the formula, so you know you need to do cross product. So now you have to take BA cross with BC, right? Alright, okay, I have already find the vector BA and BC. So let's find the cross product for, as I follow the formula, area of parallelogram ABCD is BA cross BC, the magnitude of BA cross BC. So let's find with the cross product, okay? This is an application of cross product where I'm using cross product BA cross with BC. So it's the magnitude, it's the expansion of the determinants between vector. So this is the way we do cross product. So I, J, K, right? So BA, right? BA, so will be 0, negative 1, negative 3, negative 2, 0, negative 3, right? So BA cross BC. So once you put BA cross BC, you have to follow with BA followed by BC, right? So 0, negative 1, negative 3, and negative 2, 0, negative 3. So start by doing the cross product, which is, you know that it will be positive, negative, just like you are doing finding the determinant for 3 by 3 matrix, right? Positive, negative, positive. So positive and K. So what is a minor for I? So if you look at this, so this will be negative 1, negative 3, 0, negative 3, right? And 1, negative 3, 0, negative 3. And followed by, for J, right? For J, so it will be 0, negative 3. Delete the row, delete the column. So 0, negative 3, negative 2, negative 3, right? So for K, so the minor will be delete the row, delete the column. So you have 0, negative 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, 0, right? So this will be the expansion of the determinant, right? So now let's start calculating, right? So the way we're doing is AD minus BC, negative 1 times negative 3, we have 3i, right? We have 3i, negative with 0 times negative 3, AD 0, right? 0, and 0 minus with 0 minus with negative 2 times with negative 3, we have 6, J, right? Positive, AD 0 minus with negative 2 times with negative 2 times with negative 1, we have 2, right? Positive 2. So we have K, we're getting K. So then finally we get a vector, right? Because this is a vector product, we produce another vector, and 3i, right? 3i, negative, negative, positive 6j, right? Positive 6j. So positive, negative, negative 2k, right? Finally, we have already found the vector for BA cross with BC, right? This is BA cross with BC, right? Finally, we want to find the area of parallelogram. Very simple. find the magnitude of this, right? Magnitude of BA cross BC. This is BA cross BC. So, will be the magnitude of BA cross, which is the square root of the way of finding the magnitude of a vector is all the component, the coefficient you have taken. Go and square up and sum all the square, right? So you have square root of 9 plus with 36 plus with 4. All right, let's see what's the value. All right, which getting 49, right? Total 49, and you're getting 7, right? 7 units square. So means that the area of this parallelogram is 7 units square, right? So this is an application of vector. You only using this method when there is given the coordinate, the vertices of the side. Alright, and there are no angle here, right? There are no angle here. So, so if you have angle, there is another method of finding, right? So, but if with this given point, and you can using the concept of vector, right? By forming a direction vector for AB and AD, and you can just apply the cross product, and you find the magnitude of the cross product, then you will get the area of the parallelogram, right? Okay, for the next example, I'm going to show you how to find the area of triangle. Alright, it's have almost the same, right?